Wondering if it will be worth upgrading from the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to the Galaxy S24 Ultra? We've got a full comparison of the two phones to help you decide which could be better suited for you. Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra is what you can call Android at its finest. It has everything you could want, from a super bright display and high-end cameras to a powerful processor and a large battery. But it's about to face some competition from within its ranks. Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to hit the shelves in January, and it could be the new king of the Android world. The phone should have a better display, titanium chassis, and many other improvements, so the big question is which one to choose. Here's a straight-up comparison of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra vs Galaxy S23 Ultra to help you figure out how the new phone might stack up against last year's model. Design. Just like last year, the new Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't expected to look very different from the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As per official leaked images, the S24 Ultra will feature 4 cameras on the back in the same arrangement seen on the S23 Ultra. You will find a nearly identical rectangular shape with flat tops and bottoms and a lightly curved side frame. However, in the front of the S24 Ultra might not be as curved as the current model. The S24 Ultra could also have one of the narrowest bezels on a phone, with the bottom bezel matching the rest. The key difference between the two phones could be the front display and build quality. A recent report revealed the S24 Ultra could have a titanium outer frame similar to the iPhone 15 Pro models. This could make the phone more durable, but could also translate into dull color options like the latest iPhones. Leaked images already show how the titanium-clad Galaxy S24 Ultra could look. The handset has a bulkier and more boxy look with a flat and less curved front panel. Camera. The Galaxy S24 Ultra should bring a camera upgrade, but nothing too mind-blowing in comparison to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. While the main camera on the phone is expected to use the same 200MP sensor, reports suggest Samsung could bump up the size to an inch, which could be a big improvement. The ultra-wide camera could have the same 12MP sensor as the S23 Ultra. However, the S24 Ultra might come with a 50MP periscope camera offering 5x optical zoom. This is a big upgrade over the 10MP periscope shooter that Samsung currently uses on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. A 10MP optical sensor will also continue to be on the rear. For selfies, the S24 Ultra could use the same 12MP sensor as the S23 Ultra. Samsung is also rumored to pack a better display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While it could keep a 6.8-inch AMOLED, the refresh rate may be bumped up to 144 Hz, up from 120 Hz on the S23 Ultra. The smartphone could also see an increase in peak brightness, with latest specs sheet leak pointing to a retina-burning 2,600 nits brightness. This tops the 1,700 nits brightness on the S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra have the same 5,000 mAh battery and 45 kWh charging as the S23 Ultra. However, thanks to the new chipset, you may be able to use the phone for longer hours. Storage options also remain the same: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. However, Samsung could opt for UFS 4.1 storage instead of UFS 4.0 used on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Another notable upgrade on the S23 series could be the addition of generative AI features. Samsung recently announced Galaxy AI, which is expected to be integrated into the upcoming S23 models. The Galaxy S23 Ultra brings some impressive updates to its display, performance, and cameras. But is it enough to recommend anyone who can wait until the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? We can't say for sure. If you are willing to wait, the S24 Ultra might offer you better incentives to upgrade. You get a faster processor, a better camera system, and a brighter display. Considering the starting price of the device remains the same as the S23 Ultra, it could undoubtedly become the top choice. But if waiting is not an option for you, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is worth considering. Anyways, guys, I am super excited about the S24 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.